just stop for a moment and actually look at how boring this looks. It'll make sense in a moment. You've been brainwashed. Maybe I am over-exaggerating, but the definition of brainwashing is to force someone to believe something by continually telling them that it is true and preventing them from thinking about it properly. This may make no sense to you, but look at this. By you watching content like this, for example, or with people, you see them take a cold shower, you just only see the clip where they just jump into the cold shower. There's like music going on, and I've done this myself, but there's music going on, and you see someone read, it like zooms in, and there's like rock music, or you hear someone talk about it, and yeah, they just talk about it, so you don't like really experience like the actual pain and the effort that it takes to do this. But right now it may seem like, oh yeah, he's just recording, bro, it must be fun, but honestly, I would just want to sleep right now. I want to eat because I'm really hungry. I'm like fasting right now. I just did the other thing, but like you don't want to do the things, and it feels so weird. But when you're just watching them, you don't like really think about it. And there is such an easy solution to this problem, and you've heard it so many times. And yes, it's probably not gonna be the best for the statistics on this video or on my channel generally, but it is really just stop consuming so much content. Start doing more and start thinking more, because as you just heard with the brainwashing, it is also preventing people from like actually thinking of like the answer, or not answer, but actually thinking about what they're seeing. So if you're, for example, watching someone take a cold bath, just imagine yourself like actually going into the cold bath, and you can like feel like the water running down your body, and it's super cold, and you start like having problems breathing. Probably you like can only take like half. Okay, that sounded weird, but like you can only take like half breath because it's so cold. And you see someone doing a workout, and you can almost like imagine like the muscles like hurting really bad or something like that. So just imagine yourself a lot more in the actual situations. I know this was a really short video, but I just felt like making it. So if you actually want to be able to do these things, you probably need discipline, and that's why I think you should watch this video, because in this video I teach you the no BS way to actually get more discipline. So this is just a quick one, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!